Yeah, some of the things that we get asked that would void a warranty. So Hardy's pretty specific about their clearance specifications. So for example, James Hardie's siding and trim need to be 2 inches above roof lines, 6 inches above fit grade, so like your grass, mulch, things like that, and then 2 inches above finished floors, so like concrete, patios, driveways, decks, whether it's composite or cedar, need to have the 2-inch clearance. Flashing is very important with James Hardie, so knowing where you need to have your flashings at. For example, James Hardie lap siding is 12-foot long pieces. There's seams throughout the house. What's nice about Hardie is there's no expansion or contraction, so you can butt those seams tight, but you need to have a secondary layer of protection behind those seams. And so we use color-matched aluminum flashing behind every seam. Hardie doesn't specify what needs to be used, but we just prefer to go straight to the top end of it, and that's what we use, as well as specific clearances over windows and doors and things of that nature. And so sometimes contractors, if they don't really know the product, or again, they want to just kind of get lazy and go fast, they can miss out on some of those critical steps, and those are a really quick way to void your warranty.